What is up, guys? Snowy Biscuit back at you with another video. Oh, there's a new outfit. Today we are going to be playing some Fortnite. It said new outfit right here. So I checked. Oh yeah, these are new. This is very old. Deep Sea Destroyer. Oh, living large. Bum bum bum. By the way, guys, I got the John Wick skin. Own that. I also got the backpack and the pickaxe. Still got. I used to be a default, but I still got that later. At least I got the battle pass, brother, and I got the rip ripers, and I have some other skins, not just John Wick. I got this from last season: Blackheart, Hybrid, John Wick, Rocks, and Sentinel. Alright, let's get out of here. Exit. And let's play Wick's Bounty. Why is it on Don't Fail? Alright, let's go. We are starting to play Wick's Bounty. Oh, I just cracked my finger. Okay. The first team to collect the required amount of gold tokens wins. Alright. By the way, there's 3 respawns here. So, earn gold tokens by eliminating enemy players. Okay. So, I don't have a map key on purpose. Well, I know the map. The Fortnite map. Hello, teammate. Hello, teammate. Hello, teammate. That's the way of me saying hi to my teammate. Who dares try to shoot me when I got this gun? Boom, 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 boom. Got a hit. Boom, 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 boom. God, I'm keep on getting hits right there. I'll use my tack. Oh man. Boom. I'm right here. Behind you. Oh, I almost got hit. Okay, got no map. So we will be going where they're going. I'm not going to Neo Tilted. So yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to Neo Tilted. I'll go to got Mike. I don't. Okay. One of my teammates just left randomly. I almost. Oh, jeez, I did not want to land there. At least I got 2 guns. I really didn't want to land there at all, bro. No, I'm not kidding. Oh, I see a purple sniper. Oh yeah, and I hear a chest. Bump bump. Oh yeah! I just got a purple sniper, brother. Did I change that? No, I didn't. Okay. So we start off with some max, right? Okay. Hello, little chest. Whoa! I'll take that gun. No, I'll take that gun. I don't want you! Alright, we can snipe people from here, guys. Let's see. And I can only record for 15 minutes. So, if this stops, I want to record for a lot more. So, if this stops, I'll just record a new one, okay? So, don't worry. Oh, French fries. I can snipe people from here. Boom! I sniped the fridge. I'm gonna go up here. Whoa! Whoa! I did not mean to. That was so much damage. Oh my gosh. Okay, I came to get this gun. Definitely. Drop this gun. I don't like that. I don't like that gun. Honestly, I don't. I want to get up here. No! Come on! I don't like this. Bro, I'm not trying to kill anyone right now. I don't like Neo Tilted. I'm not a pro for that. I'm not that of a pro. Nope! Okay, guys. Are you kidding me? Got any shield here? Kill me wherever you are. I'm gonna go. I don't even know where he went. Oh, guys, if you want me to do a default challenge, leave a like on this video. Can someone just kill me already? Like, can someone just kill me? Come here. Where'd you go? Come here. I can't jump. Here, come knock me. Here, come kill me. Can someone come kill me? Can someone come kill me? Come kill me! I want to die. Oh, well, I'm about to die right now. Oh, so now I have 2 respawns, guys. Yep, respawns left 2. My brother's friends keep on inviting me to stuff when I'm trying to record a video. And I know them. They're my friends too, but I'm trying to record a video, bro. Why are you guys distracting me? The purple friend. I just call them by color. So, streamer is going. Watch this. Boom, 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 boom. Got him. And this guy already died. Here, I'm coming. Wait, there's someone here. What the? Oh! What? I didn't even see him. I just heard him, but I didn't see him. He, like, probably headshot me. Oh, dang. I can't believe that happened. I don't know I don't know where to go, honestly. I really don't. I don't want to touch that. Actually, it'll make me go faster. I'll do it. Can go wherever I want to go faster. Dang. Someone took this building down. What? Oh, wait, this is a house. Ooh, I'll take this for some shield. I'll take that later, though. What? Okay, guys, the video just stopped randomly. And then it just went right when I got killed. It just went again. What? This game is rigged, bro. What? By the way, whenever I know how to add a face cam, I will be adding a face cam, so don't worry. But bro, this game is rigged. So weird. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's play. You know what? I want to play with one of my friends. I'll join this guy. I'll unmute him. What's up? Well, I got no mic. My mic doesn't work anyway. Can we go on Wix Bounty, please? You know what? I think I'm a part of it. Oh! Guys, I don't think you can hear me! Because he's so loud! What? He was so loud! I don't think you guys can hear. Well, he didn't want to play. I'll unmute this guy and join him. Well, he's in a match, so never mind. I want to lead the party. I do not want Team Rumble. I want Wix Bounty. Let's play again. Okay, guys, that was very weird. The guy, when he screamed, it was PP or Becht. He screamed. Oh, yeah. So, I'm tired. Excuse me. I'm so tired. Ooh, race to the top. The first team to collect the required amount of gold tokens wins. I'm gonna have to find that map key because I do want the map. Like, it's hard for me. Okay, I'm gonna go to the end because I'll run when I got enough loot. So, yeah. Whoa. This skin's so weird since it has the tuxedo. It's the robot chicken with the tuxedo! That's so weird. Hey, these are my mats. Since you took my mats, breaking your building. There. No map. I'll go to the end. Where's Paradise? I really want to go to Wick's house. I don't know, guys. I guess I'll go there. Right here. High value targets are shown on the map, so be careful if you have the lead. Okay? So, my friends are Gale Vic, Plays Here, YT, Frame Rewind. Okay, cool. What is that? Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I call the chest in the field. Oh, there is a chest in the field. I call the chest in the field. Oh no, that guy's gonna shoot me. Oh, I'm lagging so bad. I'm lagging so bad right now. What? Oh, I'll take that gun. What? Ah! What? I was lagging so bad. And I'm still lagging. Haha, I'm hiding right here. You could never shoot me. Pew, pew, pew. I wish I could still shoot him. He didn't even see him. He didn't even see me. Someone revive me, please. Even though I respawn, I just don't want to lose some respawns. Can someone revive me, please? I'm about to die. I'm on 50 health. Oh no, someone's gonna kill me. Hi, you're not gonna take the kill, by the way. That guy won't take the kill. He didn't take the kill because someone else killed me, not me. Not him. We'll go. At least I got that gun. No, not Neo Tilted. Do you want to try those two thingies right here? So I'll go here. This is the building in loot. What? There's people in loot? Then I'm not going here. I just want to try out those two thingies. Yeah, there's definitely people here. I'm next to the circle, so that's good. How do you use this though? I want to get on one. I want to get on one so bad. One of these. Right here. This. I don't know how though. That's the problem. Yeah, I can't open that. Or I can't do anything with that. Okay, well, I'm out. A chest. I'm definitely taking that. Whoa. Bump. What? I suck at this. I suck at building, by the way. A combat shotgun? I'll definitely be taking that. Ooh. Yeah, I won't be taking that. I'm sorry, I just got a purple U. Purple U, that sounds very weird. Some ammo box right here. Campfire. Take that. I am low on health, so I like that. I'll build around me just randomly because I am not a good builder. And I got no more mats. Oh yes, I'm good. Right? Yeah. I built all around me actually. Okay. I heard someone gliding. I guess not. Alright, let's go. So guys, by the way, I'll keep checking if this, remember I told you, I'll keep checking if this video will end. So I can start a new one. Right where I was. Yeah. Probably be two parts of this because I want to play for like 30 minutes. So yeah. I'm gonna get my goal is to get Max and go to my teammates and team. Oh, here's one teammate. But my goal is to get Max go to my teammates and team up to get the tokens and get a dub. Really want to get a dub. Ow! Someone's shooting me. By the way, this video is about to end. Oh, they're up there. This match is about to end, actually. I think, because... Oh, no, I got one relive left. Oh, that was a John Wick. Alright, guys. This video is about to end, so I'll start the second part. Don't worry, but... I see one coin, which I hope is in the circle. Nope, it's been taken. Never mind. I'll just ride around in here. If I can make it. Nope, I couldn't. So I went here.